Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tech World. Here with us is Startowers. Startowers are finally moved from testnet to mainnet. That means TGE is around the corner. Have to impute some certain things, that is create our wallets in either KuCoins, OKS, MetaMask. But right now I'm going to use MetaMask to impute your wallet. Startower Mainnet is now live, where everything become possible. So you see node name. So these are the parameters we have to use to create our wallet. These are the parameters: the node name, the Startower as a name, the ID, the ROPC, the token symbol. Startower token symbol is SAVW. Then the block explorer. You see, look at when you go down to it now. You see celebrating mainnet launch valued of $500 of a Startower, which is serve airdrop. See, how do you participate now? Is that you add a Startower's chain network. Then after you add it, you create your wallet. Then code this thing in their Twitter's account. Then comment with your StarTowerChain wallet address for a chance to receive the airdrop again. So note, this airdrop distributes real digital asset, not foreigns and everything. So I will take you to MetaMask. How you able to create your wallet, your digital wallet and everything, so that then we'll take you to S account to create your to tweet, to retweet and comment. So let's go over to MetaMask. I'm going over to let's go over to MetaMask. So on the MetaMask, you come over to this angle, then you say custom. On your custom, the name, you already know the name before. Let me just scroll it down again and say the name. Let me copy the name for you now. Let me copy the name. You say the name. Let's copy it and paste it here. And paste the name inside. This is the name Startower. Then let's use this one. Let's copy this first. Let's copy this first. Let's say copy from this angle. Let's say copy now. And copy it. I'll come over to this ROPC. ROPC. Let's see, you are here now. You say add ROPC. Then take it down. Then let me bring it low. Then say add. Let me paste it now. Also, when you paste it, just come to the end. Just come to the end and add an HTTPS, not complete P, P, HTTPS. Then come to the symbol part. Put the symbol, then come to slash. See now, it's very correct. Just put start over. Start over. That is the name. Then say click add. You click add. So the other one is ID, which is this number. Then make it big. This number, particular number. Let me say copy. Come over to this place and paste it. So this symbol. Let me click copy. Copy of this symbol. Paste. Let's say this other one. This other one is optional. This one now is optional. This one is optional. You can put in. Just say save. Just click save. Immediately you say save. That was successfully saved. Just click. Just click and look for it. Just click. See, look at it. StarTowerChain. Just click on it, and then got it. Look at it here. Startower. Then click this place. You understand? Also click here. Look at it very well. You know, the one we are using now, you want to receive. So just click here. Click this place and copy the address. We've copied the address now. Then, when you copy the address, just come and put and find Twitter. Twitter. Let me remove this thing. Come. Let me remove this thing and come to this place. Put it down. Then this other place to retweet. This is a quote. To quote. Let me just say, yes, optional. Or you can post it direct like this. You understand? Then when you quote again now, you see comment. This other one is comment. Okay, then click comment now. We have to paste the address. Our address now, that is what you will paste there now. The minute you paste the address, you see, you understand? I click OK now. I've placed say reply send now. You understand now? So immediately after that, that is all. You can see other people's own. You can see other people's own. Reply. That's just right there. But some people, you see this one, it just put the code. I put my code. This one still put its own code and every other thing there. Every other thing. So if by locking, we'll be the one to claim it because that is what they said in this space. They said note. Yeah, so okay, so quote and comment with your start towards a wallet address for a chance to receive the airdrop. You understand now? Airdrop of a 500 or something dollars. So we are able to create a wallet for it. So you should be able to remember your wallet and everything. So start towards I've moved from what a minute to what? I moved from a testnet to what? To mainnet. They are now officially a minute. You understand? So that is that is Startower for you. So this please you can do it to if you have you joining me for the very first time, there is a link of Startower so that you join and always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bless you, thank you. See you in my next video.